And this is a video review for the Tomax. This is a cement blade right here. Cuts fiber cement, has a long life, but this is a there's 4 blades on here, but you can see that carbide kind of diamond tip right there, but it sure cuts through this Hardie board. Super easy. Is a great blade, but this is the 4-tooth, 7 1/4 inch, 184 millimeter. It also has these kind of cuts in here for any type of binding or heating up, but this is a great blade. Let's test it out. So this is what I'm doing right here. Hardie board underneath the deck here in between these pillars. Okay, works great in any circular saw. That makes nice sharp edges, doesn't have any breaking. Cuts all the way through just like it would a regular saw blade would on wood. And this is a great blade, the Tomax fiber cement blade. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.